Pkcell is a professional battery manufacturer in China since 1998, with over 25 years of experience in the field of batteries. Very popular all over the world, we can produce Li-SOCl to battery, Li-MNO to battery, Li-Fe battery, supercapacitor, customized battery back and so on. For Li-SOCl to battery, our hot setting models are ER1 ER1 for 505, ER26 ER3 for 615, widely used in utility meters like water meters, gas meters, electric meters, and IoT projects and so on. For Li-MNO to battery, our hot selling models are CR2, CR1 to 3A, CR3 for 615, CR2032, CR20 to 5, CR2016, widely used in medical equipment, military equipment, GPS tracker fire alarm system, and so on. Our batteries are low MOQ, competitive price, 5 to 10 years shelf life, high quality with CE, RoHS, REACH, SGS, IEC, UL1642, MSDSUN 38.3 certificates. Pkcell, be your good and reliable battery suppliers. Pkcell and OEM are acceptable. Welcome to contact Pkcell.